GeoByte.
Welcome to GeoByte. General Studies questions on Indian History Part 5. Moving to the first question. Who among the following advocated partyless democracy in India? Option A. M.N. Roy. Option B. Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Option C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D. Jayaprakash Narayan. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option D. Jayaprakash Narayan. Moving to the second question. Who among the following was not associated with the Kakori conspiracy case? Option A. Ram Prasad Bismil. Option B. Chandrasekhar Azad. Option C. Ashfaqullah Khan. Option D. Surya Sen. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option D. Surya Sen. Moving to the third question. Out of the following, who was one of the leaders of Khilafat movement? Option A. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Option B. Shaukat Ali. Option C. Syed Ahmad Khan. Option D. Liaquat Ali Khan. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option B. Shaukat Ali. Moving to the fourth question. After return to India, the first movement led by Mahatma Gandhi was on option A. Racial discrimination in judicial system. Option B. Contract farming. Option C. Contract coolie system. Option D. Export of coolies. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option B. Contract farming. Moving to the fifth question. Who started Bil Seva Mandal in 1922? Option A. Amritlal Vittal Das Thakkar. Option B. C.F. Andrews. Option C. Maharshi Karve. Option D. Vinoba Bhave. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option A. Amritlal Vittal Das Thakkar. Moving to the sixth question. What was the age of Mahatma Gandhi when he came back to India from South Africa? Option A. 36. Option B. 40. Option C. 44. Option D. 46. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option D. 46. Moving to the seventh question. Before his unfortunate demise, for how many days Potti Sriramulu was on fast? Option A. 52. Option B. 54. Option C. 56. Option D. 58. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option D. 58. Moving to the eighth question. On which date has the Quit India movement started? Option A. August 8, 1942. Option B. August 8, 1943. Option C. January 26, 1942. Option D. January 26, 1943. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option A. August 8, 1942. Moving to the ninth question. The following declaration was made in the Lahore session of the Indian National Congress? Option A. Do or Die. Option B. Swaraj is my birthright. Option C. Home Rule. Option D. Purna Swaraj. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option D. Purna Swaraj. Moving to the 10th question. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in the year? Option A. 1929. Option B. 1937. Option C. 1935. Option D. 1931. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option D. 1931. Moving to the 11th question. How many delegates attended the first session of the Indian National Congress? Option A. 50. Option B. 78. Option C. 72. Option D. 52. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option C. 72. Moving to the 12th question. The first Indian state that was annexed under Doctrine of Lapse was option A. Kozhikode. Option B. Travancore. Option C. Mysore. Option D. Bijapur. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option A. Kozhikode. Moving to the 13th question. As per the first schedule of the Constitution, Delhi is a or an option A. State. Option B. Autonomous territory. Option C. Central territory. Option D. Union territory. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option D. Union territory. Moving to the 14th question. Which British Viceroy conducted Delhi Darbar in honor of Queen Victoria? Option A. Lytton. Option B. Ripon. Option C. Northbrook. Option D. Irwin. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option A. Lytton. Moving to the 15th question. Who headed the law commission appointed by Lord William Bentinck? Option A. Lord Macaulay. Option B. W. W. Hunter. Option C. Charles Wood. Option D. Lord Minto. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option A. Lord Macaulay. Moving to the 16th question. The Vaikom Satyagraha in Kerala was associated with option A. Temple entry. Option B. Women liberation. Option C. Eradication of child labor. Option D. Vaishnava movement. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option A. Temple entry. Moving to the 17th question. After partition, approximately how many million refugees came into India from Pakistan? Option A. 8. Option B. 10. Option C. 4. Option D. 6. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option A. 8. Moving to the 18th question. Which Congress president set up the National Planning Committee in 1938? Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B. Vallabhbhai Patel. Option C. Subhash Chandra Bose. Option D. Rajendra Prasad. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option C. Subhash Chandra Bose. Moving to the 19th question. Which was the first major newspaper published in India? Option A. India Gazette. Option B. Hickey's Bengal Gazette. Option C. Calcutta Gazette. Option D. Bombay Herald. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option B. Hickey's Bengal Gazette. Moving to the 20th question. From the below, who is known as the father of local self-government in India? Option A. Ripon. Option B. Mayo. Option C. Macaulay. Option D. Cornwallis. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option A. Ripon. Moving to the 21st question. Author of patriotic song Amar Sonar Bangla was option A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Option B. Bipin Chandra Pal. Option C. Chittaranjan Das. Option D. Rabindranath Tagore. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option D. Rabindranath Tagore. Moving to the 22nd question. What was the name of the contract farming system in British India in which a farmer signed a contract with a planter to cultivate indigo on his farm? Option A. Ryoty. Option B. Batai. Option C. Katai. Option D. Nij. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option A. Ryoty. Moving to the 23rd question. With regards to partition of India, Mahatma Gandhi was option A. In favor of partition. Option B. Neutral on this issue. Option C. Against partition. Option D. Not aware of the issue. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option C. Against partition. Moving to the 24th question. The independent authority of the Marathas was completely crushed by which Governor General? Option A. Dalhousie. Option B. Wellesley. Option C. George Curzon. Option D. Hastings. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option D. Hastings. Moving to the 25th question. Which freedom fighter died during the protest against the Simon Commission? Option A. Lala Hardayal. Option B. Madam Lal Dhingra. Option C. Lala Lajpat Rai. Option D. Shivram Rajguru. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the correct answer is option C. Lala Lajpat Rai. Let me know how many questions You answered correctly. Please do comment. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeoByte.
GeoByte.